firstly, what I want to do is I want to show you what I get when you submit your assignments. Yeah, uh-oh. So I get a package from Gradescope with all the submissions, and then I run NLP tools on the submissions to extract the comments and the funny variable names and the test cases. And so I compile a list, and usually I try and do this after each assignment, but this year things were a little bit crazy behind the scenes. So here are some comments from you guys. No particular order. I've roughly categorized them. Naughty list. So this person, do I need a way to make sure the shift doesn't go over 64 bits? I can use N255 to shave down the 8 leftmost bits. Could I use it for 64? But how do I iterate through every integer? I can't be. So they just said, so someone probably in this room made that comment. Yep, they were right. That was the thing to do. Yes, this is programming. Now I fix everything I forgot to consider and will cause $1 million. But I sanitized these. They obviously weren't sanitized before. Joel, I hate you for making this question. I know who actually said that. Yeah. We'll use a typed language next time. Fix what we just, yeah. There's a wholesome list. So, you know, Barry has kindly placed the required time bounds in the function. Thank you, Barry. Very nice. So nice. I suspect the same student said this. Maybe assignment 1 and assignment 2. So nice. It gets worse again, so thank you, Joel and Beyonce. This is a statement file. Thank you, Joel and Beyonce. Have to assume that they did nothing wrong. Yeah, okay. This one's nice, you know, it's giving me some feedback, it's good. I did learn a lot, such as hashing. Damn bit vector, fair enough. Yeah, cool. There was some bargaining, so brother, we are so cooked. See you at assignment 2, Joel, I will do better. I don't know if that was true. Maybe one day Joel will have mercy on the 3506 takers. No. I don't know about this. Hello, Joel, I've been expecting you. Please note, dynamic array, much later. They're back in the linked list. So they knew somehow that I was going to be doing this. Probably my favorite one. I can't claim that I actually know what most of you guys are talking about, but I can pretend. Another very good statement. Brain rot. I still don't really get it, but maybe some of you do. Yeah, so bit vector got most of the hate. I didn't put everything in here, obviously, but lots of screaming. I love this one. Someone submitted a pirate copy of the textbook, which I downloaded onto my own computer, of course. So there's a bit of gherky going on, which is good, some gherky variables. Someone in particular used lots of very funny variable names in the first assignment, but I can't show them. It wouldn't have been funny, I just had to sanitize them all. There's some more cooked. Forgiveness. So someone said, oh, this is gross, but Flake8 cried, so F this, man. Fair enough. Yeah, Joel, I know, sorry. Someone using bad hashing, I guess. Yeah, this is where things get a bit serious and dark. You know, this happened last year too, but more people said it last year. So not too bad. Some people were defiant. I like this one. Bug fixed by person. Come on, Joel, get your shit together. That was actually Vlad's fault. No, it probably wasn't. Yep. Yeah, so when you see this and then you're trying to override this in the Gradescope test, bad things might happen. I like that. This is good. This is like what you should do on the exam. If you don't know, just do something, right? Brave but dumb student award methodology. Extract all submissions. Find the latest first submission. from all students on all assignments? Do you want to take a guess? So Gradescope has a little bit of overlap that lets you submit a little bit late. Somebody made their first submission to assignment 1 at 4:01 p.m. on the day it was due. What makes me angrier is this student went on to get 7 out of 15. So they're a median student, maybe even above average. It's pretty good. Okay, back to the lecture slide. So I've got, yeah, okay. So there's one last set of slides that I want to talk about. This is mostly stuff from Ed. Does anyone know who Thomas Dodd is? I don't, but he's in the course and apparently he's me. So I pay very close attention to Ed throughout the semester, obviously. How did we start the semester? Fantastic. Ed post number 2, Gabriel posting memes. If you zoom in, on a serious note, a really nice description of this algorithm is found here, Jack. Yeah, what is here? Ah, yeah, okay. Damn, here's a note, Gabriel got rickrolled. Don't you dare make this not visible to staff only. Okay. Other stuff that I just don't understand. All right, I'm going to have to accelerate here. There was the shifting incident. So the first spec had left and right shits. And then our colleague here spoke truth to power and made us fix the tests, which is fair enough. And then later I came back and said, well, this thread aged poorly. There was a bit of bribery. Someone somehow knows that Minhao and I both really like maxi bonds. This student accidentally sorted their dynamic array file, and I thought it was worth showing it again. People waiting for the auto grader to finish. The actual Gradescope code, sleep 10 minutes, haha, got him. Honesty is the best policy. People saying, hey, your tests are broken, we're passing, we didn't submit anything. So then behind the scenes, Vlad and I, another one, no more, got him. When will they learn? You know, free marks taken away. I've made sure these are anonymous so that, you know. We had Gurkies. So Thomas Dodd becomes the course coordinator. While you're reading this, you should be working on A2 right now, last month. Yeah. Joel, get off your alt. So this is where Thomas Dodd became me, because he was saying, hey mate, did you know you can actually get most of A2 done without a single line of code? Just use your pen and paper. Yeah, well. So some Fight Club stuff. And then Thomas Dodd gets sued because it's not me anymore. I'm not the coordinator. So if you're suing someone, talk to Thomas. Remember this slide before? This name is familiar. Probably me. Hey, this person, I feel this on a spiritual level, perhaps because I've been working on this assignment since 7 a.m. yesterday. Date, Friday 18th of October, 2:11 p.m. They started the day before. Praying for my man Kurt. Yeah, okay. So I expect a standing ovation. Well, too bad. Oh, okay, a sitting one maybe. The most blur data structure goes to Alexander, who I hope will make this public later. It's a recursive hash table, and this was done before assignment 2. How does it work? Nobody knows except Alexander. However, there are some very good diagrams. I don't remember how these work, but maybe you studied UML more recently than I did. It's pretty funny. This description is very large. Now, you're wondering, why is it called a shit hash table? Well, it's not just the most blurst data structure, it's the most blurst library. There's a shit heap, there's a shit const, a shit dictionary, shit everything. This is amazing. If you want to open source this, that would be awesome. I already did this part, so what I want to do now, the very last thing I do today, is I want to give out a few prizes for our compression award winners. Now, because budget constraints exist, what I think is really cool is that, oh, sorry, wrong one again. Okay, so this is my compression book, right? It's really, really big and heavy, but it has lots of stuff in it. The winner of this challenge actually implemented something that is more recent than this book, something that came out in, I think, 2014 or something. And this is really amazing because most compression people don't even know how this thing works. Now, as prizes, as I said, there are budget restrictions. Because the hardest thing about compression is decompressing and getting back the original input. I have no shame in awarding these compressed books. They have nothing in them. But I do have certificates, so if they are here, the top three, Oliver Christie, Caleb Aiken, and Jack McMahon, please come and receive your awards, your mini books, and yes. Thank you and well done. So if you're interested in this method, it's actually called ANS, and it means asymmetric numeral systems. Thank you. And this thing has only been around for a very, very short period of time. Now, you're wondering, what is the certificate? Looks like this. Why advice? Because compression. Wasn't me. People have been doing this for years. Okay, lots of names that I've run out of time, like classic. Compression, honorable mention, so famous people. I'm very disappointed in Peter Sutton's performance. I had to Google this, but I've learned a lot. So bit going on here. Not compressed is pretty good. And some people were trying to do compression. The police are here with big file sizes. Okay. So that's it. That's the course. I just wanted to say a few quick things. I'm sad that it's over. I love what I do. I think, you guys are awesome. It's been a really great year. I really love engaging with you guys. There's, old saying is never be the smartest person in the room. And I'm sure that I've never been the smartest person in the room this semester. And I really, really do mean that. I think you guys are really amazing, and I think you'll be awesome in the real world, especially now you know how to write shit Python. But yeah, I wish you all the best. I hope you smash the exam, and I hope I don't see you again in the best way possible. Okay, so thank you. Thank you so much for your engagement and making this a really fun course. I think we've all had fun, I hope. So thank you. That's it.